This is the Fadster, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specifications. The Fadster is painted in full gloss Santorini black with black accents. Fadster sits on 18-inch sawtooth black gloss wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a 6-point external roll cage, classic front bumper with worn winch, E.C.D custom black steering guard, 4 LED round spot lamps up front and 2 at the rear. Inside, the Fadster features a Nardi Challenge steering wheel with custom autocross grey red pointer gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a horizontal Garrett Cadence licorice leather stitched together in black and scarlet. The Fadster is powered by a GM 6.2 litre V8 410 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to charging ports throughout.